In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz on Google Forms in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher looking to create a quick quiz for your students or simply curious about utilizing Google Forms for creating engaging quizzes, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms website. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing in your email, click Next. Then enter your password on the following page and click Sign In again. This will give you access to Google Forms under your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main Google Forms page. Here you can start a new form from scratch or choose a template to work with. For our purpose, let's start a new blank form. This will serve as the base for our quiz. The next step involves tweaking some settings to turn our form into a quiz. Look for the Settings cog icon, which is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open up various options for your form. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section specifically for quizzes. Here you need to toggle the option Make Quiz to on. This action transforms your form into a quiz, enabling features that are crucial for creating a quiz, such as automatic grading and providing feedback for correct or incorrect answers. Turning on the quiz feature is the cornerstone of this process. It unlocks a myriad of options for you to fine-tune your quiz to be as engaging and comprehensive as you wish. From this point, you can start adding questions, set correct answers, allocate points, and customize feedback for responses. Creating a quiz on Google Forms is not just about evaluating knowledge, it's also an opportunity to make learning interactive and fun. By utilizing different types of questions, from multiple choice to short answer, and incorporating feedback, you can create a dynamic learning experience that caters to the diverse needs of your audience. Remember, the beauty of Google Forms lies in its simplicity and versatility, whether for educational purposes, fun quizzes among friends, or even as an interactive tool for your audience. The process remains the same, and the best part, it only takes a few minutes to set up. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you're well on your way to creating engaging and informative quizzes using Google Forms. Experiment with different question types and settings to make your quizzes more challenging and enjoyable. Happy quizzing!